Today in this video, we will show you how to move or transfer any apps to SD card on Android phone without any root. Please like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to smash the bell button. What's up guys, this is Pro Warriors. We are back with another new video. Recently, I had tried to transfer apps to SD card due to insufficient storage problem, but I didn't find any option. Finally, I have figured out a solution and in this video, I'm gonna show it. Let's get started. Unfortunately, very small percentage of people subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe right now. You can always change your mind later. At first, open the settings of your Android phone, then navigate to the About phone. There is an option named Software Information. Open it. Then scroll down and you will see build number of your device. To enable the developer option or developer mode, tap on the build number for 7 times continuously. After that, a note will be displayed. Developer mode has been enabled. That means our task has been completed. This will be unlock the developer option in your device, which can be located under the additional settings. In some device, it's hard to find out. If you can find the developer option, just type on the search bar. In the developer option, scroll down until I find out the option named Force Allow Apps to External Storage. You have to tap on it. This makes any application eligible to be retained external storage. Now back to the phone settings and navigate to the apps or apps and feature option. Here is all the application of your device. Choose and select an application which you want to move to SD card. Suppose Clash of Clans. Click on the application you would like to transfer to external storage. Then you can see the storage information. Currently, this application is inside the internal storage. Finally, we have the change which will help us to change the app storage location. Click on change button and switch to SD card. Click on move button to export the application in the external SD card. It will take few minutes. Make sure your SD card has enough storage to store the application. During the transfer process, please do not remove SD card or close the program. When the transfer is done, back to the application and check the location of the application. You can see it's located inside the external storage, and if you are suffering for insufficient storage problem, it may give you relief. You can transfer application to an SD card on Android 9 to Android 12. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.